A clean cabin air filter helps keep dust, pollen, and other airborne irritants from entering your vehicle. It's best to change your filter regularly to prevent dirt and debris from entering your engine to help maintain optimal performance. You'll know that you need to change your cabin air filter when there's reduced airflow through your air conditioning system, excessive window fogging, or repeated bad odors. But even without these warning signs, your cabin air filter should be replaced about every 2 years, depending on your vehicle. So check your owner manual for your vehicle's schedule for when to change the filter. And in some cases, you might need to replace it more frequently, like when you're driving in areas with heavy traffic, poor air quality, or high dust levels. On the other hand, your engine air filter should be replaced every 12,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. But these intervals may also change depending on the vehicle, the conditions you drive in, and how much you drive. You'll know that you need to change your engine air filter when you need to fill up your gas tank more frequently, or experience reduced fuel economy, reduced power, and reduced acceleration, or when the check engine light is illuminated. And if your vehicle is equipped with an engine air filter monitor, you can check its remaining life and when it's time to be replaced. You'll get in-vehicle alerts when your engine air filter life falls below 10% or falls to 0%. Scroll through the Driver Information Center menu until you see Air Filter Life. The display will show a percentage of air filter life remaining, along with other status messages if relevant. To keep your cabin and air filters working as they should, always ask the Chevrolet Certified Service Experts at your dealership to check them during maintenance. You can schedule service through the My Chevrolet mobile app, or in-vehicle app, or the Chevrolet website. And for best performance, only use AC Delco GM Original Equipment air filters. A comfy ride always starts with a clean and well-maintained vehicle. So it's best to change your cabin and engine air filters regularly.